Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rise and Slay for another homemaking and cleaning motivational video. Today I'll be sharing my nightly cleaning routine. By the end of the day, our house is usually a complete mess. My schedule from work has recently changed, so we are adjusting here. My daughter is in her terrible twos, so she does not stop making a mess, not for a minute, and our home is just a lived-in home. We spend a lot of time at home, so it just gets messy here. Sure, everyone's house gets like this once in a while. It's nothing to be ashamed of. These are the best kind of videos to make when it's actually, messy and you get the before and the after satisfaction. So that is why I am pulling out my camera today and I'm going to get this house nice and tidied up. This is going to be an afternoon clean, so we are going to start the video a little bit later on in the day. This is when we cook up some dinner, we tidy up the house, and just kind of get ready to unwind and hang out as a family before bedtime. It's not going to be any type of crazy or deep clean. It's just going to be a regular nightly tidy up that I try to do every single night so that we don't get up in the morning to a complete mess and can just start fresh the next day. So depending on the night and on the mess, the nightly clean changes a little bit. Mainly we pick up, we vacuum, and we make sure that the kitchen is clean and nothing is drying up on the counters. Today I'm also going to fold some laundry because it's been waiting for me while I was working the last couple of days. And we're gonna start today in the bedroom. I'm going to fix up the bed first very quickly. I don't do the crazy pillows and all. I just like to fix it really fast. And then I'm going to encourage Lily to help me out to pick up her toys because we are gonna vacuum up the floor later on. So here is the wonderful basket of clean clothes waiting for Mama to fold. Cody does a really good job with getting all the clothes washed. So on the days that I'm working, he will usually get the clothes clean and washed, and that's really helpful, but he does not ever dare fold anything. So all the clothes are always waiting and left for Mama to fold. And I'm just going to try and get all of these clothes folded and out of the way right away so that we can start dinner and then tidying up the rest of the home. In the kitchen was where the mess was the worst. There were so many dishes and everything, so I'm gonna start cleaning. And as you can see in the background, I'm also making dinner, and I am making some chickpeas with tomatoes and bone broth, and it's a really good staple in our home. It's something that I've created. It's healthy, and Lily actually likes it, which is really surprising to me because she does not like a lot of healthy food. So I try and incorporate this dinner into our dinners often.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So after dinner, I got right at it with the dishes. Getting the dishes done is one of the most important things for me. At nighttime, I hate leaving the dishes for the next day because it makes it so much harder to wash everything, and you know how it is. So I'm making sure to get all of the dishes clean. I do want to apologize ahead of time for the quality of the video. At nighttime, I guess the camera just doesn't take as clear and good video, but I still wanted to put this video up. The kitchen table behind me is pretty cluttered at the moment with decor and items that I'm collecting right now for the coffee bar nook station that I will be creating very soon, and will be a video coming up. But at the moment, I'm just leaving all of the decor there to store until the video. The natural multi-purpose cleaner that I've been using for years has recently discontinued. I have not seen it at the stores in forever, but I did find this one and I like it just as much. It smells fresh and it doesn't have the strong chemical smell like so many of the other ones do. And also you can use it both as a glass cleaner and also as an all-purpose cleaner, which is really nice.
But you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. Say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try the pedal to the pavement. Always dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again?
As always, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. It's been harder for me to upload as often as I would like since I started working full-time, but I'm still going to try my best to get videos up as soon as I can. I hope you guys are all having a great week, and I hope to see you guys on my next one.
Can call you mine. We can hit rewind and treat each other right.